Madeleine, what's up with those tears in your eyes? What happened when you shut down and all the amber lights turned into red? In the silence of your cave, you feel safe, you decorated with velvet drapes. Outside you see the dark woods, but you don't know this feels of gold ahead. Hold on, so let go. Hold on, you'll know that help is on its way. Rise up